हाय हेलो नमस्ते बच्चों। आप कैसे हैं मेरे प्यारे बच्चों? हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर चिल्ड्रन? होप यू ऑल आर वेल. What we learned in our previous class, can you remember? We learned about birds, isn't it? पक्षियों के बारे में. पक्षियों के बारे में हमने क्या पढ़ा? What we learned about birds? If you are keeping the birds inside the cage means they won't be happy and they can't do anything, isn't it? If they want to be go freely outside and all that and all they can't do if we are keeping inside the cage. So what difficulties and all they are facing, they are telling in this lesson. Okay, today our first lesson it is explaining about these bird situations only. So can we go to the lesson? Okay, let's start our lesson. All take your textbook. Take lesson 1. पाठ का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the lesson? हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के. Gagan means what? Gagan means, what is the meaning of Gagan? Sky. Gagan means sky. What is the meaning of Unmukta? Independent or free. Independent or free. What is the meaning of Panji? Panji means Pakshi, means bird. Bird. Okay. हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के. हम means we. So, what is the meaning of the title? हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के means we are the birds of free sky. Okay. Write today's date and day on the up of the page. What is the date today? 29/9/2020. What is the day today? Mangalwar. Tuesday. Hindi Mangalwar. Okay. Have you all written? Okay. Who has written this poem, you know? It was written by Shivamangal Singh Suman. Shivamangal Singh Suman. Okay. First line. Please listen. You have to read with me while I am reading. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजरबद्ध न गा पाएंगे कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. Once more I am reading. Listen carefully and read with me. हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजरबद्ध न गा पाएंगे कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. Okay. First line meaning we learned, isn't it? हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के means we are the birds of free sky. What is the meaning of Pinjarbadh? What is the meaning of Pinjarbadh? Pinjarbadh means inside the cage. Inside the cage. Inside the cage. Okay. What is the meaning of Ga? Ga means sing. Sing. What is the meaning of Kanak Tilion? Kanak Tilion means golden grill. Those who are new, please take on pencil and write the meanings what and all I am writing on here. Please underline that word and write the meanings whatever I have written here. Okay, my dear kids. Old students, they know very well that what to do. New students, please take the pencil and underline the words what I have underlined here and write the meaning on the up of there in the textbook. Okay. Then takrakar. What is the meaning of takrakar? Strike. Strike or dash like that. Okay. Then what is the meaning of pulagita? Pulagita means soft. Soft. What is the meaning of panga? Panga means wings. Wings. Then what is the meaning of toot jayenge? Will break. Toot jayenge means will break. Write on the up of the word All the meanings write on the up of that word. Underline it and write. Okay. Okay. Now meanings, word meanings and all finished. I'll say the paragraph meaning. Okay. What is the meaning of these lines? Hum panji unmukt gagan ke. We are the birds of free sky. Pinjar badd na ga payenge. Pinjar badd means inside the cage. Ga sing. So na ga payenge means we can't sing. We can't sing inside the cage. If you are keeping us inside the cage means we can't sing. कनक तीलियों से टकराकर, कनक तीलियों से टकराकर by striking on the golden grill. Which golden grill? पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. That golden grill means they are telling the cage grill is there now. That only they are telling. That by striking on that, their wings and all there, soft wings and all will break. पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. Soft wings and all will break by striking on the golden grill. So if you are keeping us inside the cage, we can't sing. Our wings and all will break by striking on the golden grill. We are the birds of free sky. We can't sing inside the cage. Our wings and all will break by striking on the golden grill. This is the meaning of these 4 lines. Very easy only. हम पंजी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजर बद्ध नगा पाएंगे. कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे. Understood, my dear kids? Okay, we'll go to the second para. हम बहता जल पीने वाले मर जाएंगे फूके प्यासे. कहीं फली है कड़क निबौरी कनक कड़ोरी की मैदा से. Once more I am reading. Read with me. हम बहता जल पीने वाले मर जाएंगे फूके प्यासे. कहीं फली है कड़क निबोरी कनक कड़ोरी की मैदा से. Okay. बहता, बहता means flowing, flowing, flowing or running, flowing or running. Jal, you know the meaning of jal is easy only. You have learned already, then even I am writing. Jal means water. Then मर जाएंगे. मर जाएंगे means will die. Will die. Then भूखे प्यासे. भूखे प्यासे means hunger, hunger and thirst. Hunger and thirst. Then Nibauri, Nibauri. Nibauri means fruit of neem tree. Neem fruit. Fruit of neem. How the fruit of neem will be? It's very bitter, isn't it? So kaduk means bitter. Bitter, bitter. Then kanak kadori, kanak kadori, golden cup, golden cup, golden cup. Okay, we'll go to the meanings of the para. Okay, हम बहता जल पीने वाले मर जाएंगे भूखे प्यासे. कहीं फली है कड़क निबौरी कनक कड़ोरी की मैदा से. हम बहता जल पीने वाले. We are drinking, we are the birds of birds, those who are drinking the water. Which water they are drinking? They are drinking the flowing water only. They used to drink the flowing water. They won't drink when if we are keeping inside the cage that cup of water and all. If we are keeping even, they don't like that one. They like to drink the water. Which water they like to drink? They want to drink the water of flowing, running like river water, sea water, like that and all. they like to drink that water only, flowing water only. मर जाएंगे फूके प्यासे. So whatever food we are giving inside the cage, even we are giving in the golden cup, even they don't like to drink that one, they don't like to eat that one. They like to go outside and they like to drink the flowing water. Without drinking, without liking that, they won't drink whatever we are giving inside the cage. Because of that, what happened? मर जाएंगे भूखे प्यासे. We will die because of hunger and thirst. Because of not drinking anything and because of not eating anything, they will feel hunger and thirsty. So मर जाएंगे भूखे प्यासे. Because of hunger and thirst, we will die. कहीं फली है कड़ुक निबौरी. कहीं फली है कड़ुक निबौरी. They are telling that kaduk nibauri, the neem tree will be neems, that fruit will be very bitter, isn't it? That neem fruit will be very bitter. Then even we like to eat that one better than which one? Kanak kadori ki maida se. What you are giving inside the small cup of golden cup, what you are giving to eat, that we don't like. Better than that, we will eat the bitter neem fruit. That is better than that golden cup what you are giving. We like to eat outside freely. We want to go outside and we want whatever we are getting, we will eat. If you are giving in the golden cup, even that food we want like inside the cage. So that कवि यह कहना चाहता है कि what the poet is going to tell. The poet wants to tell that birds are telling that we are the birds of free sky. We used to drink the flowing or running water. Without drinking that, we will feel thirsty and hungry. We will die. Because of that, we will die. And also it is telling that if you are giving food in the golden cup, even we are feeling better in eating the fruit of neem tree. Even it is bitter, even we are feeling better in eating that fruit only. That much they are not happy inside the cage. That much only in this line. हम बहता जल पीने वाले मर जाएंगे भूखे प्यासे. कहीं भली है कड़ुक निपौरी कनक कड़ोरी की मैदा से. If you are giving in a golden cup, even we don't like that one. Better than that, we will eat the neem fruit. Because of not drinking the flowing water, we will die. Like that, the birds are telling. So, next line. स्वर्ण श्रृंखला के बंधन में अपनी गदी उड़ान सब फूले. बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं तरु की फुनगी पर की चूले. स्वर्ण श्रृंखला के बंधन में अपनी गदी उड़ान सब फूले. बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं तरु की फुनगी पर के चूले. Okay, what is the meaning of swarna? Swarna means gold. Write the meaning, everyone. Shringala, chain. Then gadi, write neatly, everyone. Gadi, movement. Then udhan, flight. Phule, will forget. Sapno, dreams. Sapna, dreams. Taru, tree. Fungi, end. Chule, Chole. Chole means, what is the meaning of chole? Swing. Chole, swing. Okay. स्वर्ण श्रृंखला के बंधन में अपनी गेदी उड़ान सब भूले, बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं तरु की फुनगी पर के झूले. Because of tying with golden chain, स्वर्ण श्रृंखला के बंधन में, because of tying with the golden chain, अपनी गदी उड़ान सब भूले. We will forget our movement, how to move, how to fly, everything we will forget because of you are tying us inside the golden chain. So because of that we are forgetting everything, how to fly, how to move, like that everything we forgot. बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं. We are seeing only in the dreams. What सपनों में क्या देख रहे हैं? What they are seeing in the dreams? तरु की फुनगी पर के झूले. तरु की फुनगी पर के झूले. Swing which is there on the end of the tree. We are going on the top of the tree and we will swing there. We will dance there. We will play there. We together we will go and swing there. So we will बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं तरु की फुनगी पर के झूले. Now we can see only in the dreams that we are swinging on the top of the tree. Top of the tree we are going and we are swinging there. That we are seeing now in the dreams only. So the birds are telling that if we are tying us inside the golden chain, we will forget our movement. How to fly even we will forget. We used to swing on the top of end of the tree, but now that we are seeing only in our dreams. Only in our dreams. स्वर्ण श्रृंखला के बंधन में अपनी गदी उड़ान सब भूले. Everything we are forgetting. बस सपनों में देख रहे हैं तरु की फुनगी पर के झूले. We are seeing only in the dreams only. What we are seeing only in the dreams? We are going to the top of the tree and we are swinging there. That we are seeing in the dreams only. So what we learned today is we should not keep the birds inside the cage. Inside the cage, how much they are suffering only is explaining in this lesson. This much is enough for today, my dear kids. If you have any doubt or any difficulty in any place, you can ask me in our Zoom interaction meeting. Okay, my dear children. धन्यवाद बच्चों.